Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In this week's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how I make these super delicious and crispy spring rolls. I'm also going to be sharing my favourite super spicy sauce, which I highly recommend for you guys to have alongside your spring rolls. The best thing about these spring rolls is that you can prepare them in advance and freeze them so that they're ready to be fried whenever you want. I'm sure you guys are just as excited as I am, so let's start making them. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new content. As always, the ingredients are listed in the description box down below. Let's start off by preparing the vegetables. Essentially, all you have to do is julienne them, and you can make these as thick or as thin as you want. Personally, I prefer mine to be on the thinner side. As you can see, I've actually cut the peppers down the middle. However, if you want to have longer slices, you can just leave it as it is. Next, I'm moving on to the cabbage. Again, with the cabbage, I do prefer for it to be quite fine. However, if you want bigger pieces, you can choose to cut it bigger. I've already peeled the carrots, and now I'm going to be cutting this into nice and fine sticks. I just wanted to remind you all that you do not have to use all of the vegetables that I'm using. You can add in your favourites as well. The last ingredient that I'm going to quickly chop up is the spring onion. In a pan, I've added in some oil, and I'm going to lightly fry my minced meat in here. Once the minced meat has become brown, we can add in our carrots. The amount of time that you cook the carrots for really depends on whether you want them to be crunchy or soft in your spring rolls. It's been around 4 minutes since I added the carrots in, so now I'm going to add in the bell peppers and give it a stir. After a couple minutes, I'm going to add in the cabbage and season this with some soy sauce, homemade chili garlic sauce, which I'll show you how to make at the end, as well as some salt and black pepper to taste. Once the rest of the ingredients are cooked to your preference, you can add in the spring onions and just let them fry for around a minute or two, and then you can remove the whole thing from the heat. To make the glue for the spring rolls, you just need to mix some plain flour with some water to get a liquidy consistency. I'm going to grab a spring roll sheet, and I'm going to angle it diagonally so that the corner is towards me. And into here we're going to add in a tablespoon or two of the filling, and then we're going to fold it. For me, the easiest way to roll these spring rolls is to tuck in the sides, and then you tuck up the bottom bit and you just roll it as tight as you can. Once you get to the end, you can add the glue mixture, and then you can set these aside. If you want to freeze them, you can freeze them at this stage and later fry them. So guys, here is the end result. I hope you give these spring rolls a try, and I hope you like them. Please let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see next time. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!